What if the biggest secrets about your mind are not hidden in a sci-fi lab, but inside ordinary moments? Stress before a deadline, a strong emotion, a messy room, or one small habit repeated every day. NIH-supported brain research points to a powerful idea. The mind is not a fixed machine. It is a living system, shaped by biology, experience, behavior, and environment. First, let's clear away two famous myths. You are not simply left-brained or right-brained. Creativity and logic do not live in separate personality boxes. Your brain works through networks, with many regions communicating at once. And no, you are not using only 10% of your brain. Even simple tasks can involve widespread activity. Now for the part that affects daily life: stress. When your brain senses threat or pressure, your body releases stress hormones, including cortisol. In short bursts, that response can help you react, but ongoing stress can disrupt attention, sleep, mood, and memory. The hippocampus, a brain area important for forming memories, is especially sensitive to stress biology. That is one reason chronic stress can make learning and recall feel harder. Emotions are not the enemy of rational thinking. They are part of the system. Fear, joy, anger, and sadness help the brain decide what matters. But intense emotion can narrow attention and push quick choices. So the goal is not to become emotionless. The goal is to notice emotions before they take the steering wheel. Here is the hopeful secret. The brain can change. NIH experts often call this neuroplasticity. When you practice a skill, repeat a behavior, recover from an injury, or learn a new pattern, brain connections can strengthen, weaken, or reorganize. Change is not magic, and it's not instant, but repetition teaches the brain what to keep. Mindfulness is one example of training attention. Slow breathing, meditation, or noticing thoughts without immediately reacting may help some people manage stress and emotions. It's not a cure-all, but it can be useful. And your surroundings matter too. Light, noise, safety, social connection, sleep routines, and access to nature and daily stressors can all influence mental health. The mind responds to the world. So the real secret is this: your brain is always listening to your habits, your stress, your emotions, your environment. And when you understand that, self-improvement becomes less about willpower and more about designing conditions that help your mind thrive. If this changed how you see your brain, share it with someone who needs a reset today.